I bought a new airplane to fly my American air shows. Pretty special airplane. Sean Tucker's Oracle Challenger. This airplane flew all across America, inspiring heaps and heaps of airshow fans. And now it gets to do that again. This airplane is just beautiful. 8 ailerons, massive travel on the elevator and rudder, rearward centre of gravity, 400 horsepower, Lycon-Lycoming engine, Hartzell propeller, Concorde battery, everything you want in a perfect aeroplane. This is it. This is my first air show on America's East Coast. When I look down, the beaches are packed with thousands and thousands of people. They're all here just to have a great time.
So that's dead, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, with the eyes to the sky. And smoke on the smoke on the sun. Watching this plane, with that wicked small dive towards the air show. Stand up in the sector view.
When I fly through the American airspace, I'm really hoping that down there on the ground, there are a lot of people touched and inspired by the flying that I do to go live out their aviation dream and see that there is a runway to take flight.
Back on the stick with a few rolls each way. Rolls on over the top to some more inside snap roll. Put the ball to the wall.
I'm excited to light up the skies all across this great country and inspire the next generation of aviators across America as well.